It is गर्म हवा.
ऐसे ही नहीं बना है आपका नेस्ले.
हिंदुस्तान की आजादी सन 1947.
तो दिल हो गए टुकड़े. हर सीने में तूफान वहां भी था यहां भी. हर घर में चिता जलती थी, लहराते थे शोले. हर शहर में शमशान वहां भी था यहां भी. गीता की कोई सुनता न कुरान की सुनता. हैरान सा ईमान वहां भी था यहां भी.
गर्म हवा. The scorching winds of insecurity inflicts humanity and nature yet again. Exit polls indicate close contest in Bihar after record vote turnout. I am not bothered. Whatever might be the mandate from Bihar, it would not end this enveloping, scorching winds of insecurity inflicted humanity and nature yet again. The psyche of insecurity injected into the veins of non-Hindus in India yet again. It is the partisan scenario. We have to choose between religious and caste identity. Either the religion or the caste wins. It is the vote bank equation whatever might be the result, the insecurity remains, and it is always dangerous for humanity and nature. I have dealt with Komal Gandhar frame by frame made by no other than Ritik Ghatak, the Messiah of musicality, the Messiah of aesthetics, of social realism, who is responsible for the new wave films in India, the alternative cinema. And this film, Garma Hawa, is very, very important because it has got the lead role for no other than Balraj Sahni. Balraj Sahni, who belonged to Indian People's Theatre movement. I see a striking resemblance with any of the refugees who crossed borders, either the border of West Pakistan or East Pakistan. It is a striking resemblance of face. I see my father's face in the face of Balraj Sahni. And now, Garma Hawa, I want to say some facts about Garma Hawa. Garma Hawa is a film made in 1973. After 13 years of Meghna Ka Tara, the first film on partition was made in 1962. It was by Ritik Ghatak. The second, Komal Gandhar, it was in 1961. Then he was expelled from Indian People's Theatre movement and Communist Party as well. And then in 1962, Ritik Ghatak made Suvarna Rekha, and M.S. Sattu directed this masterpiece film Garma Hawa, which was released in 1973. I just passed my high school exam from my district board high school in the refugee colony Dinaspur, and placed myself in Nainital, and I got admission in GIC Nainital. During those periods, Garma Hawa was released, and I was lucky enough to see the film that day, and I am guided by this soul of Balraj Sahni, Indian People's Theatre movement, and this film and the continuous Holocaust of partition that created my vision, my aesthetics of social realism. The film was produced by Abu Siwani, Ihsan Arya and M.S. Sattu. M.S. Sattu was the producer. Written by no less than Kafi Azmi and Sama Azmi. The story was by Ismat Chuktai, and look at the star cast. Balraj Sahni, Farooq Sheikh, Dinanath Jutsi, Badar Begum, Geeta Siddharth, Shaukat Kafi, A.K. Hangal. A.K. Hangal is yet another striking face of Indian People's Theatre movement. Music by Bahadur Khan and Kafi Azmi. Lyrics. Cinematography Ihsan Arya. Edited by S. Chakravarti. Released date 1973. running time 146 minutes. Country India. Language Hindi and Urdu. Budget 1 million and it is US dollar 15,000 only, and it is an excellent film. Garmawa, Wikipedia puts it like that, Garmawa, and the translation is hot winds or scorching winds. It's a 1973 Urdu drama film directed by M.S. Sattu with Balraj Sahni as the lead. It was written by Kafi Azmi and Samaj Jaidi, based on an unpublished short story by noted Urdu writer Ismat Chugtai. The film score was given by noted classical musician Ustad Bahadur Khan with lyrics by Kafi Azmi. It also featured a qawwali composed and performed by Aziz Ahmad Khan Warsi and his Warsi brothers troupe. Set in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, the film deals with the plight of a North Indian Muslim businessman and his family. In the period post-partition of India in 1947, in the grim months after the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi in 1948, film's protagonist and patriarch of the family, Salim Mirza, deals with the dilemma of whether to move to Pakistan as many of his relatives or stay back. The film details the slow disintegration of his family and is one of the most poignant films made in India's partition. It remains one of the few serious films dealing with the post-partition plight of Muslims in India.
मैंने कहा माशाअल्लाह अब तो उसने बीए भी पास कर लिया।
3 साल नाकाम रहकर चौथे हमले में बीए कर लिया तो कौन सा महमूद गजनवी बन गया?
तौबा है, आपसे तो कोई बात भी नहीं कर सकता। मैं तो उसकी शादी की बात कर रही थी। अल्लाह रखे, आमना भी तो तैयार नहीं हो गई।
बेगम, तुम्हें तो सिर्फ अपने बेटे की
It is a routine day-to-day problem and phenomenon of an Indian family. And look,
मुस्लिम लीग के सारे लीडर हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमानों को बेसहारा छोड़कर भाग गए। अब ऊपर खुदा नीचे मैं और सारा हिंदुस्तान मेरे खून का पैसा है। लेकिन हिंदुस्तान हमारा वतन है। ये ताजमहल, ये फतेहपुर सीकरी, ये सलीम चिश्ती की दरगाह, जो लोग अपनी मुक़द्दस यादगारों को छोड़कर भाग रहे हैं वो बुज़दिली का शिकार था। उन्हें अपने खुदा पर भरोसा नहीं रखा। यहाँ के सारे मुसलमान चले गए, फिर भी एक मुसलमान, कम से कम एक मुसलमान यहाँ से कभी नहीं जाएगा। वो जब तक जिंदा है यहीं रहेगा और उस मुसलमान का नाम है सलीम मिर्जा। अब मैं भी यहाँ नहीं रहता। अब हिंदुस्तान में किसी मुसलमान के लिए कोई जगह नहीं, इसलिए हमें फौरन एक हवेली और कारखाना बेचकर पाकिस्तान के लिए रवाना हो जाना। ये सिंधी और ये पंजाबी इसलिए वहाँ से भागकर आए हैं कि वहाँ का सारा कारोबार ठप होता है। इसलिए इस वक्त हम वहाँ पहुँचे।
this is the dilemma. Yet again, it is the
आज
psyche of insecurity. Yet again, the governance of fascists guided and remote controlled by institutional fascism headquartered in Nagpur is
यहाँ तुम्हारे अब्बा जी की हड्डी
accomplishing the agenda of Hindutva, the agenda of Hindu nation, Hindu globe, and it was the grand alliance of fascism, the grand alliance of Jamidar and Raja Rajwara and Hindutva, which sidelined Gandhi and some Nathuram Godse killed Gandhi. It is again we are invoking the
हिंदुस्तान, पाकिस्तान, यूरोप, अफ्रीका,
murder,
मेरे लिए सब बराबर है।
the
इंसान
genocide culture, the ethnic culture about cleansing, the racist apartheid, the caste system. Yes, it is the younger face
मैं तो ये
of Farooq Sheikh.
क्यों? क्या आप
He was introduced in this film
फरमाइए की कमी थी।
and well,
हाँ होते हैं, लेकिन जो बच्चे पतंग कटाने को धोते हैं
the Basudhi Brigade
की इजाजत नहीं है।
wants to deport every non-Hindu out of this geopolitics as they amended the Citizenship Act way back in 2003 during the first NDA government led by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and disinvestment ministry was introduced to capture the natural resources in India, and the agenda of total privatization, total disinvestment, total FDI started with that government after the demise of Congress. The Congress which led the struggle of freedom led by no other than Gandhi and assisted by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Simant Gandhi, Ghulam Nabi Azad and others. It was a national forum. It was the India united, and that India was disintegrated. That India was disorganized, degenerated, and Ritik Ghatak
ये पास कर ले या एमए, अब हिंदुस्तान में
captured
लड़कों को नौकरी
those moments, that Holocaust, that continuous bloodshed with its unprecedented musicality, sound, design and aesthetics of social realism in its famous trilogy Meghna Ka Tara and Komal Gandhar and Suvarna Rekha insisted amidst the disillusionment, the overwhelming disillusionment after independence of India. It was later followed by good movement in Bengal. The Tevaga continued even after partition, which was demanding land reforms, and it was Naxalite uprising in 60s. And now that Naxalite movement, the agrarian uprising, has been defined as Maoist movement, and central India is under virtual military rule, and it is called Salwa Jurum. It is the impact of partition. I have discussed it on in my analysis of Komal Gandhar, and this was the life of a young couple in those days, just after 1948, Farooq Sheikh and Geeta Siddharth playing the romantic couple, and the romance was ended in a overwhelming tragedy, and it is the tragedy which continues even today. After the excellent film Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge completed 25 years after since the early 90s, Shah Rukh Khan has become the face of Indian cinema, the face of inherent pluralism, inherent diversity. And he is the real Indian because he speaks the truth. He speaks human. He just complained that intolerance is killing India. Intolerance is killing humanity. And the Bajrangi Brigade has branded him Pakistani, and they demand that Shah Rukh Khan must leave India. The conscience of the nation is awakened, and they protest all these things. Balraj Sahni enters the frame. He is the protagonist. Just hear him.
मैं पूछने आया था, मेरे कर्ज का क्या फैसला किया आपने?
पिछला जमाना होता मिर्जा जी तो इतना कर्ज मैं अपनी जिम्मेदारी पे दे देता,
लेकिन हमारे दरमियान जमाना कैसे आ गया? आप ही वही, मैं भी वही, और हमारा लेन देन भी कोई नया नहीं है।
वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन अपने ट्रेड की हालत देखिए, कितने जूते वाले रातों रात पाकिस्तान भाग गए, कितना रुपया डूब गया बैंक का।
जो भागे हैं उनकी सजा उन्हें क्यों दी जाए जो न भागे हैं और न भागना चाहते हैं?
मिर्जा जी,
It is exactly happening. Those who opted for Pakistan, those who demanded Pakistan,
जनाब ये
those
नेशनल बैंक
who
ब्रांच है,
were responsible for partition in accordance with our Hindutva psyche. They have opted Pakistan, they fled Pakistan. But those who remained in India, those who are Indian, as much as we are, we hold them responsible for partition, for every crime, for every problem, and we always complain of the demography, the growth of Muslim population. It is happening again. It is happening again as it happened during 40s, late 40s, that in North India, every Muslim was unwanted. Every Muslim family had to be deported, and every Muslim wanted to migrate to Pakistan, and every Hindu and every Sikh wanted to migrate into India. And it is the basic cause of the bloodshed, the Holocaust, the insecurity feeling, the psyche of insecurity in minorities. It fled up the riots across the border, and it is yet again we are amidst the riots, and riots won't stop. Even if BJP is defeated in Bihar, even if Narendra Bhai Modi, who has got clean sheet from Gujarat genocide,
पाकिस्तान करना है तो तानाजी दो तो
lost the mandate, it has to continue, because then it would be caste identity, it would be the caste equation, grand alliance of caste, which would have the mandate, and it would be identity war, it would be civil war with inherent casteology, the caste identity, and everybody would try to empower his caste and only his caste. It is the story, it is the story, it is the saga of growth, it is the story of trickling development, it is the story of so much so hyped inclusion, but the exclusion continued, and we have to bear with it. We cannot stop riots, we cannot stop the unprecedented violence unless we kill this psyche of insecurity which inflicts the Muslims, the minorities, the non-Hindus, the minorities, the refugees, the minorities, the Sikhs, the minorities who have suffered 1984 genocide and the Operation Blue Star, who denied them the right to religion, the right to faith. And we are speaking about right to faith, right to religion. Religion is never endangered in India. It is the Bharat Desh, it is the greatest pilgrimage, as Tagore has said. So many strains of humanities must in India, in our culture, and culture overlap the religion, and this culture is all about the Sadha Chulha, and every face that migrated or did not migrate represent the Sadha Chula. Balraj Sahni is playing the protagonist as the दावेदार साझे चूल्हा का, और उनकी दावेदारी के बारे में इस वतन पर सभी हिंदुस्तानियों के दावे के बारे में यह फिल्म है गर्म हवा। इसलिए गर्म हवा has got classical music overlapping frame to frame. It is not Urdu. In Komal Gandhar, the language was Bengali. It was the folk of rural Bengal across the border, and every frame overlapped by the sound design of inherent music of rural India. And it is Garmawa has got sophisticated music of pure classical music, and it is the continuation of the legacy we inherited from Islamic rule in India, as well from the Vedic periods when the musicians like Tansen reigned the musical scenario. The musicality dates back into ancient India, and it is the continuity of the history. It is the continuity of inherent pluralism, inherent diversity, and it is the household of a Muslim family based in Agra. The Agra, which has got Taj Mahal and A.K. Hangal and Balraj Sahni share the screen.
आते ही होंगे। देखो मित्र, हम कितने ही व्यापारी को छोड़कर पीछे तुमको ऑर्डर दिया और माल टाइम पर मिलना मत।
अल्लाह मालिक है, माल वक्त पर ही मिले।
हमारे को तो नजर नहीं आता, और हम तो इतना भी सुनता है कि अकुल कलर पैसे का बंदोबस्त नहीं और कारीगर भी नहीं मिलता, और जो कारीगर मिलता है वो जुम्मा पढ़ने चला जाता है। क्यों?
बाहर में दौड़ धूप कर रहे हैं, आप 8-10 दिन की मोहलत और दे दीजिए, इंशाल्लाह सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
ठीक है, मगर 8-10 दिन के पीछे भी काम कैसे याद रहा तो माफ करना।
It was the struggle.
अलमानी साहब,
They continued to survive as an Indian citizen just because they did not choose Pakistan. Just see the face of the children, the young people, the women.
कैसी बातें करती हो? ये घर के बच्चे दम लेने गए तो 100 बार हूँ तुम्हारे यहाँ। अरे ससुर भाई ने आधा
सलीम भाई नजर नहीं आ रहे। हालांकि आज कारखाना बंद है।
This film looks into the Muslim
तो कर्जों के लिए बेचारे दौड़ धूप कर रहे थे।
Andar Mahal,
ये तो मर्दों की बात है।
the Muslim family,
सुना
which Ritik Ghatak lacked in his trilogy. He was dealing the refugees, the Hindu refugees coming from East Pakistan, the impact on partition victim Hindus, and Garmawa is 2 steps ahead because it is dealing with the look at the child. It is dealing with the Muslim psyche, the minority psyche, which still continues, and it looks into a Muslim home, the Muslim society, their struggle, and we, the majority Indians, we, those who speak religion, those who speak caste identity, those who speak democracy, secularism, we don't understand the Muslim psyche. I posted the experience of Savita Babu, Savita's experience in Muslim society, and it was the memories of yet another date during childhood and student life of Savita, when she had been the part of Muslim families, the Muslim environment, and all those Muslim families adopted her as their daughter, and they gave up beef. And now this beef gate, this beef ban, and this Arabian Spring named as Goraksha Andolan is targeted against those Muslims who remained with us all these 70 years, who opted for Hindustan. ये मेरे प्रिय कलाकार
और दिल की दुनिया
Jalal Aga, he is no more, and he played an excellent role in Garam Hawa. He was young, he is playing the youth during then. This film addressed every age group, the struggle of livelihood, the roti beti, and social interactions, the fabrics of society. At the same time, it expressed the dreams, the aspirations, the expectations of the youth, the students, the romantic couples who wanted to create a new world. Our communalism, our divide, the religious divide killed their world, killed the dreams, the aspirations, the ambition of those people, the partition victims, and I may feel it from deep of my heart, because I am a son of a refugee family. I was born and brought up in Nainital Tarai, and my father, Pulin Babu, led the peasants uprising way back in 1958, just after Telangana, and he was arrested, his hand was broken, and the state lost cases against him, and he fought for 10 years until the Congress government was dislodged and Charan Singh became the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. It was Charan Singh who was the home minister during the Dhimri Block movement, while he denied the uprising, he denied the military action, the police atrocities, the action, the loot, the torture, the arrest of thousands and thousands of peasants.
उसके लिए तो कुछ मुश्किल नहीं, पर आपने भी तो कुछ इंतजाम किया होगा।
The very Charan Singh becoming the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh, he made us the refugees, the Malik of Jameen. We got the Bhumidhani Haq during his period, and he withdrew the cases against the leaders of Dhimri Block uprising. I knew the peasantry because I belong to peasantry, and I have seen the Himalayas, and my friend Jayanarayan Prasad, the journalist with other journalists from Kolkata, recently visited my hometown Nainital and Kumaon region, and they have got an excellent video on Lake region Nainital and Kumaon, and I would share it very shortly. If you get potato and pumpkin, you would not ask anything else for survival kit. As my Guruji Tarakchand Tripathi used to prescribe classic books and philosophies for us, and I was most obedient student, and I would not sleep, I would not eat until I finished the task. May it be psychoanalysis, may it be dance capital, may it be Love as Devils, Anna Karenina, or crime and punishment, anything. The bulk of books had to be finished, and I lived on pumpkin and potato, and that studies helped us. During those periods, I enjoyed this film Garam.
आज मार के बच्चा हम कैसे क्रेडिट नहीं देता?
It is the crisis.
इतना बड़ा ऑर्डर मिलेगा वो कैंसिल होने वाला है, और अब तो ये बाकी है कि कारखाना बंद हो जाए और हम सब ठीका ठिकरा लेकर बैठे सब किसी की दरगाह पर। बाप बेटे में ऐसा झगड़ा पहले कभी नहीं मिला।
It is the indigenous production unit, the small scale industry for which Agra is famous. Beside Taj Mahal, I have witnessed the destruction of these small scale industries. As a professional journalist during Mandal versus Kamandal riots in Uttar Pradesh, I have seen it in Meerut for 6 years in Bareilly amidst the first car seva in Babri Mosque, when police fired and scores of car sevas were killed, which injected the intolerance which continues even today. Mulayam Singh Yadav was the chief minister then, and Chandrasekhar became the chief minister later. BP Singh had not taken over, and Narasimha Rao government had been muted and perhaps aligned with Kalyan Singh government in Uttar Pradesh. That
अब वो कहते हैं
Babri Mosque was demolished. before the demolition of Babri Mosque,
दोपहर को भी मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया
Before-
रास्ते में बंद का बंद वापस आ
the Mandal versus Kamandal were lost. Small scale industries in Uttar Pradesh and elsewhere in India were destroyed.
बच्चों को मनाना आता
I
है,
have
बूढ़ों को मनाना मुश्किल
written the details in my short novel Unka Mission, and I have shared the text reading it in my 3 videos Unka Mission, which deals with the economics of riots, the geography of riots, the strategies of destruction of small scale industry, and the monopolistic, capitalist, imperialist and feudal aggression against peasantry, Indian business, Indian industries, Indian livelihood, Indian nature.
नहीं आती
ये दस्तरखान पर बैठे हुए मुस्लिम दस्तरखान, परिवार के सारे लोग एक साथ खाना खा रहे हैं, और खास बात यह है कि इस दस्तरखान पर औरतें भी हैं, मर्द भी हैं, and the man, the patriarch of the family is out of the dastarkhan. He is worried. Nobody could share his worry. Nobody could share his concern. And even today, we refuse to share the concern. The insecurity psyche, the personality disorder is overwhelming. Personality disorder inflicts our politics, our economics. The turmoil we witness in diocese, as it is so volatile. We are headache has not reality till this day. Come Sunday, and it would be the result of Bihar. But the markets are afraid that perhaps Modi lost the elections, lost the mandate. Only one TV channel, Chanakya, who was correct to forecast landslide victory for RSS in Lok Sabha elections,
मैं बाद में आ जाऊंगा,
once again
यहाँ मैं पैदल आ जाऊंगा।
have forecasted that it is NDA which would be elected by the people of Bihar, and the identity of Hindutva would overlap the caste identity, the grand alliance of caste in Bihar. But the markets crashed, Sensex crashed, Nifty crashed, and that is why Mr. Rajan, the Reserve Bank governor, is warning again and again, because the economy is beyond control. The agrarian growth rate is 0 or around 0.
बाहर नहीं
The business is destroyed, and there is no industrialization growth. Industrial units, the production units had been shut down, and the process began way back in 1948, and it is predestined that we opted for the hegemony of Jamidar and Raja Rajwade, who had the land
तो ठीक नहीं लगता। उनकी हवेली कैसी, ये तो कुछ
thanks
के अंदर
to Land Settlement Act enacted by East India government and the government of United Kingdom
इत्तला दी थी, हवेली खाली हो गई।
under
थोड़ा समय
Queen
मांगा।
Victoria's
कहते
rule.
कान भूला।
And now those zamindars, those Raja Rajawade, they rule us and they have captured Indian business, Indian industry.
घर की बात
And now what happened during those days?
निर्भर से आप मुझे गलत मत समझिए, दरअसल ये हिंदू मुसलमान का सवाल नहीं। मैं किसी ऐसे किराएदार को नहीं रख सकता जो मांस मछली खाता था। मेरी मजबूरी थी क्या?
The family has to lose their home because they live in a rented house. And the Makan Malik said they don't want to keep a Muslim family in their home. Even today, the Muslim families won't get entry in a Hindu area, in a Hindu community area, in a Hindu majority area. And vice versa, the Hindu families would not dare to shift in a Muslim area because riots might flare up again anytime. Muzaffarnagar, the most rich presently in India, suffered the bunch of riots. I witnessed riots in Bijnor, which during Babri Mosque demolition, which was the Aman Chan ka basera, Saja Chulha ka basera, and the city of Bareilly where Jhumka Girare, the famous song in Mera Saya, and the dance was that of Sadhna, the versatile actress, that Bareilly was inflicted by riots, and because we never moved into a Muslim family, and Garmhawa is very important. Just because of this, we can understand the insecurity, the psyche of Muslim society which remained in India, and we refuse, we reject their identity, we reject their existence, and we cannot accept the speech, the freedom of speech of an icon like Shah Rukh Khan, or say Dilip Kumar, or say Salman Khan, or Amir Khan. We have to react because we think they speak anti-Hindu, when they speak human, when they speak intolerance, when they speak inherent diversity, when they speak from the soul of Bharat, we take it as anti-Hindu statement, and the Bajrangi Brigade launched yet another massacre, yet another campaign to set up the entire nation, the entire geopolitics ablaze. Now, I am happy our most loved, most objective writer and activist Arundhati Rai, who inspires us all. She began her career from Indian cinema. I am proud to say that Arundhati Rai played the lead female role in Messi Sahib and
आपकी दुआ से मैं मोहल्ले कमेटी का सदस्य हो गया हूँ। अगर आप चाहें तो हवेली का मामला
she
मंत्री तक ले जाऊँ।
later wrote about the gods in Kerala,
खुदा पर छोड़ दिया।
and she won the Booker Prize. She wrote on Niyamagiri hills, the Kond tribals who treat those hills as their gods, worship them, and they have to be deported from that area. It is continuous
नहीं है
displacement, continuous deportation, and Arundhati Rai has been speaking out. Arundhati Rai has reintroduced the
दादी अम्मा
masterpiece by Baba Sahab Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Communist Manifesto of India, the Annihilation of Caste, and this Arundhati Rai led from the front. Thus, it was a rebellion against the atmosphere of intolerance, and Kundan Shah told it worse than intolerance. Thus, Kundan Shah, Saeed Mirza, 20 others returned awards, national awards, and Arundhati Rai also returned national awards. 24 more filmmakers. The process was started by 10 film directors rooted in FTTI, led by Anand Padwardhan and Dibakar Bandyopadhyay from Bengal. And now it is a caravan, and sooner or later the caravan would be the caravan of Indian cinema, which contributed more to the unity and integrity of India than any other force of society, any other professionals, more than the politicians, more than the economists, more than the Indian peasantry, the Indian working class. The Indian cinema is all about that, and Garmawa is the masterpiece enacted by Indian cinema. Now, 24 more filmmakers join the group of artists who have written their awards in protest against the atmosphere of intolerance in the country and the government's interference in the Film and Television Institute of India. Chief among them were Kundan Shah, who directed the iconic dark comedy Jaane Bhi Do Yaro and Saeed Mirza. Shah and other filmmakers announced their decision to give back their awards at a press conference in Mumbai on Thursday, a week after 12 filmmakers including Dibakar Banerjee and Anand Padwardhan announced their decision to return the awards that the state had bestowed on them. In total, 26 from Indian cinema have returned their awards, and no less than 41 from the field of literature and art have given away the prizes. Dr. Shekhar Pathak from my hometown Nainital, my professor, also disowned the Padma Shri given to him, and he is a historian.
शर्मा के पास भी
such that a film like Jaane Bhi Do Yaro cannot be made under the current atmosphere. Forget making the film. We are afraid of speaking the truth now. Such the director said that the word intolerance was being loosely branded about and added that the situation had become much worse. And it was the same scenario
आपको क्या मालूम मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, कुछ समझता ही नहीं।
during 1948, just after the assassination of Bapu Mahatma Gandhi, Noakhali riots, the transfer of population, the transfer of power, which happened in 15th August 1948, marginalizing and killing M.K. Gandhi, who led the struggle of freedom. It is the darkness overlapping the light, and it is darkness which has captured India again. We are back into dark ages. We are back into the famous poem written by Mukti Bodh, अंधेरे में। हम अंधेरे में हैं, गहन मृतात्माएं इसी नगर की हर रात जुलूस में चलती, परंतु दिल में बैठती है मिलकर करती हुई षड्यंत्र विभिन्न दफ्तरों, कार्यालयों और केंद्रों में, घरों में। हाय हाय मैंने उन्हें देख लिया नंगा, इसकी मुझे और सजा मिलेगी। And Shahrukh Khan had jumped into the आग का दरिया, मोहब्बत का दरिया, अमन चैन का दरिया, जो आग के दरिया में तब्दील है। एंड शाहरुख खान सिर्फ नहीं झुलसा है भारत देश हमारा। और it was the scenario during 1948, and it is the same scenario even today. The young people inflicted by insecurity, they have to celebrate life.
इजाजत से आए हो ना, तो क्या बात है?
The boy belonged to a Hindu family. He entered the Muslim family, and the patriarch is asking whether he has got the permission from his family. It was Sajachula. It was a mixed population in Agra, in India. It is a mixed population. Majority is Hindu and minority is non-Hindu. Despite that, they are the ingredient part of India. Without the minorities, India would be incomplete. Without the minorities, India ceases to remain the Bharat Desh, the India with inherent pluralism and diversity. And it is the interaction of the Sajachula.
जहाँ जाने वाला है, सोचा जाने से पहले
They assumed that they would live for Pakistan. The family would live for Pakistan. The Hindus around, they expected that like others, the patriarch would decide to opt for Pakistan. And he did not. The climax would tell. And it is the girl who had to bear the burdens of insecurity. And the love The love couple, the love birds are imprisoned. The love is rejected. The love is denied. It is campaign hatred. It is campaign hatred, and it is the psyche of insecurity. And see this sin, the linguistics of love, the sound design, the musicality, the classical notes.
बस हम कर ही डालो,
कुछ दिन के लिए भी नहीं,
एक दिन के लिए भी नहीं,
एक पल के लिए भी नहीं।
It is love.
छुपा लूंगा।
The love speaks human.
ऐसा मौका फिर नहीं मिलेगा।
बड़े भाई साहब को भी खत लिखकर पूछ ले
And
इसकी क्या जरूरत
it is the voice of soul inflicted by
कौन सी धूमधाम करनी है, चंद करीबी रिश्तेदारों को बुला लेंगे,
inflicted by insecurity, and they are the patriarch and the family discuss about the marriage of the girl
तो क्या
who are engaged in love.
खिलाफ तो नहीं, लेकिन हर काम में फायदा देखने की आदत है।
It is the language of love
मेरी शादी
which is lost, and the fraternity in Indian film industry, the Indian cinema is very. Kundan Shah is speaking correctly that the films like Garmawa, Komal Gandhar, Meghera Ka Tara or Suvarna Rekha, it is the folk again.
पहले मेरा ले दीजिए। हाँ पहले मुझसे दे दो।
It is right inside the Muslim family. It is, we can look into, they are human beings as we are.
तुम भी मायो बैठो,
They belong to humanity. They belong to nature. They have every right to perform the right to religion, right to faith, and police knocks the door.
यहाँ मेरी तो और कहाँ ठहरेगा, जरा बुलाइए उन्हें।
Every Muslim family
शादी में उसकी मेरी बेटी से शादी है,
is doubted.
करना है मेरे शादी में तो उसी ने पूछना जी, पूछगछ थाने में होगी, इनके पास ना पासपोर्ट है ना थाने में इनकी रिपोर्ट। चलिए,
The marriage is obstructed.
घबराओ नहीं बेटा,
The Dulha came over from Pakistan and he is in custody, and it is the tragedy. It is yet another story that the Muslim youths are in custody in Uttar Pradesh, in Maharashtra, in Gujarat, and this is the face of love which suffers. This role is played by Geeta Siddharth. Feel the pain, feel the फर्जी मुठभेड़, the encounter.
हाल वारिद हिंदुस्तान को 24 घंटे के अंदर हिंदुस्तानी पुलिस हिंदुस्तान की सरहद के उस पार पहुंचा दे।
It is the verdict, the deportation, and it is the verdict, it is the JR declared, and it is the love, it is the tragedy of love on the face of Amina. It is the psyche of insecurity, it is the killings of Aman Chan, it is the killing of love.
वो अब नहीं आएंगे।
We
शादी कहीं और
cannot make a film like Garm Hawa, Komal Gandhar, मेघे ढाका तारा और सुवर्ण रेखा, in this atmosphere of intolerance, mind you, Kundan Shah said the truth, Shah Rukh Khan said the truth, and our people, the majority Indians, the Hindutva brigade calls for jihad against them. And see the light, the camera, the scenario, the zooming camera, the close-ups. And all doors were closed. The door is again closed, and the door has to be opened, and it has opened.
सिकंदर, शंकर भैया तुमसे मिलने आए हैं।
भाभी वो मुझसे मिलने कभी नहीं आते।
मैं कह रही हूँ बाहर खड़े तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
भाभी कुल 9 दिन रह गए मेरे इम्तिहान में। 9 दिन का मतलब समझती है ना?
जरा सी देर में क्या हो जाएगा? मैं इतनी आमना की बात कर लूँ। आमना से पूछता हूँ उनकी क्या राय है शमशाद के बारे में?
वैसे कोई खास खराबी तो नहीं, बस तरह से बोर है शमशाद भाई।
मैं आमना से पूछ रही हूँ, तुमसे नहीं। भाभी, मैंने आपसे कितनी बार कहा है मेरी शादी का ख्याल छोड़ दीजिए।
They have to replace the Dulha
नहीं,
just because we created Pakistan. The love is denied just because Pakistan was created. Pakistan was created just because the Muslim community in India has to be punished. It is the psyche of Hindu. We are a democratic, secular country, but Muslims dare not to live in Hindu area. The Hindus, vice versa, dare not to reside in a Muslim area. Is it democrat? Is it secular that the Bajrangis are allowed to speak? They are allowed to launch campaign hatred, infinite. They are allowed to set ablaze the nation, the geopolitics, but the speech, the human speech, the speech, inherent diversity, inherent pluralism is not allowed. And see, it was the atmosphere. The environment has not changed. It has not changed a little bit.
ये जोधाबाई का महल यहाँ बीच में।
It is Agra all about.
गाइड? पर वो तो सिर्फ इमारतें दिखा सकते हैं। मैं? क्या गहरे गहरे घाव हैं तीर मलाल के। आओ तुम्हें दिखा दूं कलेजा निकाल के। पसंद आया? कोई बात नहीं, ये तो देखिए कितने शेर याद है मुझे। शायद आप नाराज हुए, देखिए ना कितने शेर याद है मुझे। जिस जगह के लिए जितने शेर कहो सुना दूं। सर से पांव तक एक मस्ताना अदा छाई हुई, उस तेरी काफिर जवानी जोश में आई है।
भाभी देखिए मुन्ना कहाँ गया है?
The girl is reluctant. It is Agra again.
आबा यहीं पर तानसेन
The capital of Mughaliya Hindustan, Agra.
चलिए ना पंचमहल देखते हैं।
मैं मुझसे नहीं चला जाएगा। सुन लो, अरे तुम्हारी टांगे की दीवारी
It was Agra. It is Agra. It was India. It is India. It was inflicted by the psyche of insecurity. It is again I have to finish it. Oh, disturbance, sorry. It is a technical error.
क्या करना है? ऐसे ही टीवी देखता रहूंगा।
Just I am focusing on the climax because the climax is very important. The climax is Amina has committed suicide. The love is killed. The love is killed and it is the face of the patriarch after the tragedy. Amina is killed because he is denied love. She is denied love. Just we created Pakistan and India. India was divided. And it is the tragedy that inflicted the partition victims. It inflicted us. We had to leave our home, our homeland, our fathers, our forefathers had to live, and the country was a Kabristan, it was a Swasan Ghat, it was a burning Ghat, it was a cemetery. And the patriarch is paying tribute. I am just focusing on the climax. And I would continue.
यह सावधानी अगर मैं तुम्हें रख लूँ तो सब यही कहेंगे कि मुसलमान ने मुसलमान को रख लिया। मगर कारी साहब ने क्वालिफिकेशन भी दिया, उन्हें भी तो देखी यार देखी।
Muslims won't get job. How many Muslims have got job in Indian
कोर्ट का फैसला कौन देता है?
forces, paramilitary forces, and Indian police?
इतने बड़े
Just think.
मैं अकेला मुसलमान हूँ।
How many Muslims qualified and working
कितने नौजवान
to succeed to get job despite reservation and quota?
भर जाते हो। मुझे देखो, मेरी भी रिश्तेदार कराची में, लेकिन मैं कभी खर्च तिलावत नहीं करता। न मालूम कब कौन सा एग्जाम बच जाए। तुम्हारे वालिद को क्या जरूरत थी नक्शा भेजने? जासूस है जासूस। ऐसा छोड़ दिया। आइए बेटा जी, क्या हाल है? फरमाइए। टाइम पास कर रहे हैं। जयराम जी, चलो भाई खाना चलो। फिर का कोई बात नहीं। दूसरे 5 उंगली एक बराबर नहीं होता। हम है ना, दूसरे अब तो हम बड़ी भी हो गया है, तो इसके वास्ते लोग मुझे देखकर कतराते, मुंह फेर लेते, 5 से उठ जाते।
It is the crisis. Even today,
ये भी कोई जिंदगी है?
Shahrukh Khan is branded.
हद होती है, बहुत बर्दाश्त किया। अब और
मैं तो पहले ही जानती थी कि यहाँ एक ना एक दिन ऐसी बातें जरूर होगी।
खैर,
It is the
ये
cycle.
मालूम हो गया कि इस मुल्क में रहना नामुमकिन है। अब भैया,
It is the same
हम हिंदुस्तान से भागना नहीं,
situation.
बल्कि हिंदुस्तान में रहकर
It is the regulation.
अपने कांधे से कांधा लगाकर
It is the regulation. Muslims have to stay in India.
बोरिया बिस्तर बांध लेते
They might not be deported.
पीछे चलेगा तो
जब तक आबूदाना न उठे कोई अपनी जगह से नहीं मिल सकता.
Nobody
जवाब में
might be deported. It is the regulation.
उसे लेके पहले चलते तो शमशाद न सही कोई और लड़का तो मिल जाता.
They repent that had they opted Pakistan, they would not suffer. Amina would have been alive and she would have got Allah. Sorry, I was mistaken because I had seen this film earlier in 70s. The Dulha is a Muslim. He was not Hindu. His crime was that his family migrated to Pakistan and he came back to India to marry his love. I cannot edit that portion because I am using the webcam only and I have not a technical expertise.
लो भाई आज मिर्जा साहब की चल रही है.
Everybody is speaking that the patriarch is leaving India.
मेरा मन तो पहले ही बोला एक दिन आप जाओगे जरूर. चलो बस
It is very important.
ले प्रयाजा जरूर साइकिल
Irrespective of the hate campaign, it is the mainstream. It is the Indian people. It is the resistance. It is opposition to communalism. And Mirza Sahib has to join it.
चल बेटा हमने कोई नहीं रोकना.
The patriarch does not stop the students, the youth. It is the positive note. The students and youth have to join the mainstream. And it is the mainstream of United India. We have to focus on it.
जमीला मैं अभी अकेली जिंदगी की घुटन से तंग आ गया. बंदा है हम यहाँ ताना वापस ले लो घर को.
It is the United India for which we have to